Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcomes you all on Pably. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to share car brochures to Facebook leads on WhatsApp automatically, right? So before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you are into cars business or you sell cars or you have a service station for cars, this video is going to help you a lot. How? So if you opt the method that I am going to explain here in this video, you will increase your sales, you will increase your customers, and you will save your time and energy, and the result of that you will improve your profits, right? So let me start. So suppose that you are running a cars business and you have a service station of cars, right? And you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business, and in that Facebook page you are running Facebook lead ads, right? So whenever any interested visitor visits your page and he is interested in your business, he want to inquire more about that business, he's going to click on those ads, right? And when he click on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will open up. So whenever he fills the form and submit, you are going to generate a lead, right? So you are going to get the data of that lead. So you want to share with that lead the brochure of your business on the WhatsApp account, right? Now to get this done, you have two ways. One is that as and when a new lead generated here with the help of Facebook lead ad forms, you are going to manually collect the data of that lead, then come here on WhatsApp and manually type a message for that lead and share your brochure with him or her on the WhatsApp account, right? But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of leads on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy and can be very problematic. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when a new lead got generated from Facebook lead ads, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have filled the lead ad form along with your car's business brochure on the WhatsApp account, right? Guys, this can happen, and to make this happen, I am using a software here called as Pably Connect. So guys, Pably Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever a new lead got generated from Facebook lead ad forms, a WhatsApp message along with your business's brochure get transferred automatically to the lead. And the best part of making this software is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. Now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I have made this Facebook page for my car service station, and the name of this page is Car Portal, you can see. And here we are running Facebook lead ads. Okay, so to reach more audiences, we are running this ad to market our business, and in that ad, whenever any interested person clicks, a Facebook lead ad form will open up. Okay, so we have this Car Portal service form attached with the lead ad. So this form will look like this. I'm opening the form, and whenever someone fills this kind of form and submit this form, we are going to share with him or her the details of our business as a brochure here on the WhatsApp account of the person, right? So I am going to show you how it's going to happen. So let me fill this form here. So I'm filling the details as, let's say the name is Ranjan Sahu, and let me fill the number. Okay, now I'm going to click on next and on submit. So you can see it is saying thanks, you are all set, and we have generated a new lead. You can see a new test lead has been sent, right? So now the lead that has filled this form is going to get here on his or her WhatsApp account the brochure of our business, of our car service station, right? So Facebook uses polling technique to use the data. So it might take 3 to 4 minutes to reach the message here on WhatsApp. So we are going to wait for 3 to 4 minutes and we will see if the message receives here or not. So guys, you can see we have received a new message here in WhatsApp. Let's check what is in the message. Okay, so the message is this: hello Ranjan Sahu, thank you for showing your interest in the car portal. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. Okay, where you can find all the services which we offer in our car showroom. Okay, so this is a message and here is the link of the brochure. Let's open this link also. So this is the brochure we have attached with this message. Okay, and it got sent automatically with the WhatsApp message, as you can see, right? So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual typing or compilation of this message, just by filling a lead ad form here, and the message is delivered here like this automatically. So let me give you the easiest possible steps so that you can also make this automation or integration between your Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll generate a new lead by filling the lead ad form and capture the data of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and step 3 says send the brochure to leads on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally we are going to send the brochure of our car's business to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So I will tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's switch to step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, you have to open your internet browser first and type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made one free account, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Okay, now from this all apps section of Pabbly, come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here you have to create workflows like this. Okay, so to create a workflow you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. Okay, so I have filled the name as car services brochure to Facebook leads on WhatsApp, right? Now click on create here and you will see the workflow is created. And as a workflow get created, you will find these 2 things, the trigger and the action. So guys, Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new lead generation from Facebook lead ads, and the action would be is to send the car services brochure to the WhatsApp account of our lead, right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Facebook lead ads, this one. Okay, and then click on trigger event and select new lead option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection option. Okay, then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful here and start showing connected. That means we are connected with Facebook lead ads. Now it is asking on which page you are running the Facebook lead ads. Okay, so it is asking the page's name. So our page is this, the name is car portal. Okay, so in Pabbly Connect, in this field, when you click, you will find all the pages that you have created in Facebook. So these are all the pages that I have created, and my page is the car portal. So I'm going to search for it. So this one. So I have selected my Facebook page like this, and you can see the lead generation form get automatically selected because we have already one lead ad form running here, car portal service form, right? So it will show only one form. So it is showing 2 forms. We are going to select this one, car portal service form, right? Okay, Now when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the most recent lead that has been generated will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'll show you how it's going to happen. So I'm going to generate a new lead here and we will capture the data of that lead. Okay, so I'm opening the lead ad form again. Right, so let me fill the name differently this time. So I'm filling the name as, let's say, Ahmad, right, and the number. Okay, now I'm clicking on next here, and now I'm going to submit this lead ad form. So it is saying thanks, you are all set. So that means we have generated a new lead here. Okay, now in Pabbly Connect, when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the lead that we have just generated will be captured here. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you can see it started showing this type of response, and it has the details of the lead, Ahmad Khan, the number, and the other details. So our first two steps are completed. Now let's switch to our next step. So the next step is send the brochure to lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so now we are going to send the brochure of our business to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect on his WhatsApp account, and to do this we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on the section window, and from this choose app field, choose your application as 360. This one, WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay, so now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp directly, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So guys, 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp easily, right? So in the section event, you have to select for send template message option. Then click on connect here. And from this window, choose add new connection option if you're making the connection for the first time, right? So I'm showing you the process of making the connection for the first time. So I have chosen add new connection, and it is asking for API key and the domain name. So to find these things, you have to go to 360 dialog account and you have to generate a API key there, right? So let me show you the process. So this is my 360 dialog account, guys, and you can also set up your own 360 dialog account. And to do that, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices, right? Now from here I am going to click on WhatsApp accounts pages. Okay, and here from this page you have to click on this generate API key button. So by clicking on this generate API key, you can get your own key, and you have to copy that API key and paste it here in Pabbly Connect in this field like this. Okay, and while generating the API key, you will get the domain name also, which will look like this link. Okay, so you can paste that link by copy this link here in this field, right? And after pasting these two things, you just have to click here on save and you will be connected with 360 dialog, right? So generating the API key is one-time task only. Once you get your API key generated, you can use the same key to make the connection afterwards also with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and once you made the connection by this process that I have shown you by pasting API key and the domain name, if you want to make the connection again, you can choose existing connection option also. As I have already made a connection before in a different workflow by this process with 360 dialog, so I can choose existing connection option. Okay, now I just have to click on save and you will see that we will be connected with 360 dialog. You can see the connected start showing up. That means we are connected with 360 dialog application. Now it is asking for the template. So let me tell you what templates are. So I'm going to my 360 dialog account again, and here I'm going to click on manage templates option. And guys, these are the templates we have. Let me open one for you. Okay, so guys, templates or message templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp, right? So to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, first you have to create a message template here in 360 dialog, then you can send it. Okay, so to create a template, you have to click here on add template button, and here you have to give a name of your template. You have to select the category of your template, right? And you have to select the language in which you are sending the message from this list. Okay, and then templates type. Then after that, here in this body field, you have to type the main body or the message that you want to send on WhatsApp, right? So after filling all these things, you just have to click here on preview and submit, and your message template will be submitted. Okay. So once your template got submitted, WhatsApp's parent company Facebook or Meta will review your template and approve your template. So the standard time of a template approval is 30 minutes to 48 hours, they say, but in real time it takes only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours in between to got a message template approved here, right? So once you got your templates approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use. So when I click here, it will show me the list of all the approved templates I have in 360 dialog. And from here, I'm going to choose this one, send brochure final template. Okay. So I have created this template for this purpose. So I'm selecting this template. So after selecting the template, you can see this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up. And here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. Okay, so here you have to enter the number or the WhatsApp number to which you want to send the message. And we have captured the data of our lead here in the second step. Here is the number. So to bring this number here, you just have to click here on this field, then click on Facebook lead ads option and map the number from here only like this. Okay. After that, it is asking for these body fields to be filled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these body fields? Let me show you in my template here in 360 dialog. So I am opening my message template here, which is this. Okay. So in this message template, you can see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in double curly braces like this. So guys, these are the body fields or the variables we have in our message. Okay. As you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the lead, right? So that is going to change with every new lead. And thank you for showing your interest in. So here we are going to put the name of the business or the Facebook page. So if you have more than one business or more than one page, this can also change. So actually the templates are made to use for different purposes. So these are the standard templates we use for different tasks. So we made these body fields as variables to get these fields filled automatically in every new message. Okay. So you can see here in the third body field, we are going to enter the name of the service which we provide. So if we provide more than one services, this can also change. So guys, to get these things filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect like this. Okay. So in the first body field, I am going to map the name of the person. So to do that, click here on this field, click on Facebook lead ads and map the name from here only. So similarly, you can map all other body fields also. For example, let's say this fourth body field. So here we are going to enter the link of our brochure. So this is my link, which I have saved in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click here on this icon and click on share option. And here I'm going to click on this copy link button. So the link is copied, you can see. And here I'm going to paste this link in this fourth body field like this. Okay. So similarly, you can fill all other body fields too. Let me fill. So guys, I have filled all other details like this also. And now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message on the WhatsApp account here on this of this person, Ahmed Khan. Okay. So let me click here on save and send test request, and you will see this data that we have filled will be delivered as a new message, and the message is here, you can see. Hello Ahmed Khan, thank you for showing your interest in the car portal, and the message is same as we have here in our message template, you can see. And in the places of body fields, the data is also filled automatically, you can see. Ahmed Khan, the car portal, and the car service station, the link of the brochure also. Okay, so because we have filled the details here in this body fields, so our connection with WhatsApp is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected Facebook lead ads. Then we connected the Facebook lead ad. After that, we selected the page and captured the data of a new lead like this. Okay. Then we connected 360 dialog application in this action window, and then selected the template that we want to use, mapped and filled the required details to send the message. And when I click here on save and send test request, this message is delivered here. Okay, so the workflow is completed. Now just click on save here. And let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.